Now that you have hogged all the glory here, I think we will be taking this party elsewhere. Will you follow our folly of fools down this onerous path? To the afterlife for great rulers! Sovereign Guard! No, wait. That is not it. Volkerguard! Queen Irene wishes to show us true cheeriness! Today has seen enough boorish crime. You've earned your swill, so drink your fill! And leave my bride and I to some private time, hmm? Today has seen enough boorish...
Yeah!
Let's see what's around the next bend.
Oh, you are that daring matchmaker who put a smile on Yoren's face. Perfect! I have need of a merrymaker. I have decreed happiness, but not all of my kin share my breezy disposition, and it's putting a damper on my festivities. I won't have my fun ruined by these grumpy grumps. I need a champion to enforce my royally mandated cheerfulness. If these treasonous malcontents insist on harboring sticks firmly in their hindquarters, then they can at least have the decency to keep them in bloom! Ha ha! Find the grumps in my domain and pelt them with these enchanted petals until morale improves! I want you to have those grumps in stitches, one way or another!
Let's ride.
Yeah! Yeah!
It's an honor to train a new generation of Thalmor recruits.
What is it?
My champion of cheer returns! Have you vanquished the stubborn seriousness in my land? Ooh, delightful! It's so much nicer to rule a kingdom of happy subjects, don't you think? Well, I'm just exhausted from all this dreadful ruling. Our show will be moving on soon. Perhaps you'd like to continue your mission of merriment as part of our entourage.
No, don't you dare strip naked.
Yorun wishes to glisten in the warm breeze.
My kingdom for a scroll of frost.